What's up, y'all? This is Jeremy with Amber Creative, and welcome to our Meta Workroom. Every week we have a meeting in the Metaverse, and we discuss past projects, talk about things that are trending, and just go over our work week, highlights, lowlights, things that we, think the rest of the team should know. And so I just wanted to introduce the team that's in the Metaverse. Starting with my left, Mr. Flavortown himself, Angelo. Angelo, you want to introduce yourself and tell them what you do?
Sure. My name is Angelo Montiel. I'm the art director here at Amber. I pretty much am involved with graphics, visuals, colors, callouts, anything creative I'm involved in, and I love, what we do, and hopefully you can see a little more of the background stuff that kind of goes in here in Amber. So welcome.
Yeah, I love that flame shirt, man, right out of the 1990s, baby.
Yeah, buddy.
To my right, we got Jesse, who manages all the projects that we do with clients. Jesse, you want to introduce yourself and just tell them a little bit about what you do and why you like being in the Metaverse?
Yeah. Jesse Denny, and I am a project manager, so that's exactly what I do. I take in orders, I source the materials, line up vendors, work with logistics, just keep everything on track to deliver you whatever you came to us for. And the Meta is really nice because working from home, it's nice to meet with everyone I work with, kind of add some camaraderie and brotherhood, kind of discuss things like Jeremy said that we go throughout the week. So it's nice, helpful.
Yeah, it's different from Zoom. Zoom's great, but this gives a different spatial area to where we really feel like we're next to each other, which is really cool, right? Like this. Bam. All right, and to the far right, we got Mr. Joe. Joe, you want to introduce yourself?
I'm Joe, and I help out with development, the embroidery applique side of the business, trying to help out, just make all those logistics work properly, from thread selection to what fabrics are we using. Lately, I've been using a lot of that for just on pitches, traditional applique, so it's not just the same old, poly twill or something like that. So we're trying to just do that. Yeah, exactly. Boring. So trying to stir the pot, as best I can, and get different looks. We've been doing a lot of chenille pitches because Letterman jackets are kind of popular right now. When I look at our pitches, I try to see what are we lacking, and then maybe I can throw that out there and see if it lands. On the development side as well, once we find out that customers got a budget, then we try to hit multimedia. I wish you could see the shirt I'm wearing.
Cue the picture.
Yeah, we'll have to cue the picture in a minute. I'm helping out with the digitizing, and right now we're doing some weekly videos where we can show what certain stitches are, what they're called, how they're used.
I think all video, audio production. You have all the gear, so you're kind of leading the charge on editing and technology. So that's why we're doing this. We want to get into it more and weekly, and so this is kind of our weekly thing. We want to be able to share with our community, some of the highlights that we're seeing in our industry, whether it's market research, client work, or even just cool things we saw on Pinterest or social media throughout the week. So follow along. We're all going to be chiming in here and there, but we're just trying to tap into this new technology and see how we can make it work with our industry and fashion to the people.
Yeah.